You will be publishing the work you accomplished during your REU experience. This allows your work to be shared with the world. To help share your work with the world, you will be given a DOI, a Digital Object Identifier. This is a unique and persistent identifier that is permanently related to the citation information of your published work. Someone with your DOI can always locate your work. Web indexers and harvesters can also use your DOI to make your publication easy to find on the web. The DOI and its citation are permanent, so your published work can be seen for years to come by professors, employers, and colleagues. So make sure your published work best reflects your research, creativity, and accomplishments. You will publish 4 items: a paper, a poster, a folder of photos, and a presentation. Both your paper and poster will be supervised and vetted by your mentor. Your photos should be curated, selected, and described. Choose around 10 photos that tell a story, in chronological order. Tell us how they relate to your work. Use DesignSafe's tag button to describe them. Make sure your presentation has been revised based on any feedback you received during your presentation. Again, to emphasize the photos, choose photos that illustrate your work. These top 2 show people working with machines and making measurements, so they enhance the story of their work. These bottom 2 only show people standing or sitting around, so they offer no insight into their work. To begin the publishing process, click Add New Project while in DesignSafe's Data Depot. You will be presented with this window. Fill out the forms with these guidelines. For the title, follow this format and avoid acronyms without explanations. Most researchers do not know what REU stands for. For the award number, enter this information exactly. Make sure to select Other as your project type. For the keywords, list your experimental facility, any tools or software you used, and what type of project you did. In your description, explain what you did, your results, and achievements. When you're done, click Save Project and you will be presented with a new window that looks like this. If you need to edit any of the fields you just entered, click on Edit Project. Add files to your project by using Add File Upload, or simply move files over from your My Data directory. Here I already have the required files and folder in my project. As stated earlier, you need to tag your photos. To tag a photo, select it, then click the Tag button. Describe the photos and how they relate to the work you did. Click Save Metadata when you're done. If any of this work was a team effort, click Manage Team Members and enter their DesignSafe account. Currently, you must have a DesignSafe account to be added to a project. If you're publishing as a team, don't forget to add other team members' initials to the file names. Use the Rename button if necessary. When you're ready to publish your work, click Publication Preview, then select Prepare to Publish. Ignore the first 2 steps and click Next twice. This metadata page will let you review all your entries and proofread your description for typos, grammar, and punctuation. When you have finished proofreading, click Next. In the Agreement page, choose the CC BY license. Normally, you give your work away when you publish in a journal, but with this license you will retain the rights. At the bottom, Select I agree. This agreement says you understand that your publication cannot be modified once you submit. As a reminder, you are also allowing DesignSafe to distribute your content, but you will own the intellectual rights to your work. Finally, click Request DOI and publish.